Oh yeah. Ooh, my arms feel so soft. They feel so soft. It ain't no lotion on here. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking into this video. I hope you hit the subscribe button because that's gonna really help out my channel after this. And I would really appreciate if you all hit that subscribe button. I need all the subscribers I could get at this moment, you know. But I wanted to review these exfoliating gloves. I got these off Amazon. And I wanted to see how they work. I keep seeing people all over Amazon. I mean, not Amazon, all over like TikTok and YouTube and everywhere. And they got these gloves and they rub them on their skin and all this dead skin comes off. It exfoliates really good. So I'm just trying to put them to the test so that I can see if they work, because I want to know if they work better than my other little gloves. Let me go grab one of these other little gloves that I usually be using. One of these gloves. It's kind of old and raggedy, but this is the gloves that I use. I mean, I've been using these for years, and they work pretty well, but I am so excited to find out if these work better, because I like all that, you know, seeing all that, you know, dead skin and stuff coming off. I want to feel, you know, smooth and clean, but we're going to do like a little quick little review. We're going to see what's to these gloves real quick. This is how it came, straight from Amazon in that little pack. So I think you're supposed to wash the area first. I'm turning this water on. I'm going to use this soap right here. Hope you can see it. I'm going to use this soap right here. And I'm going to use my other glove, because what I'm trying to do is see if it takes off more dead skin after I use these gloves. Let me do my arm. A little soap. Oh, what's going on? A little soap on there. You know, rub that in. Scrub it. I usually scrub. And you're gonna rinse it off. Just trying to give y'all a close view. Okay, so I got the glove. I'm gonna wet it up. Got it nice and wet. And let's see. It feels like almost like sandpaper. It might work. There we go. Let me get y'all up close and personal. Let's do one of these. Let's see what happens. Nothing yet. I don't see anything happening. Where's the dead skin? I know I got some. Oh, it's kind of rough. It's really rough, actually. But it feel like it's... Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, here we go. Do y'all see that? Let me see. Let me just pull a little more. Yeah. I seen some. Wait, there we go. Look at that. Okay, there we go. It's coming. It's coming. It ain't rolling all off like them other people shit was. I mean, stuff was. Wait, yes it is. Look at that. Let me see. Can y'all see this? Let me see if I can tap the camera. I don't think y'all can see it, but let me, I'm gonna in this area. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got action. Oh yeah. Let me see. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming off. The dead skin. Oh, look at that. Okay, yeah. See better like that. It's coming off, baby. It's coming off. Look at that. Look at all that dead skin. Oh yeah, these work. These work. Y'all better go get y'all some of these. It's a little rough though. I ain't even gonna last. A little rough, and I'm gonna feel like I'm literally. Let me see about these elbows, baby. We're gonna get these elbows. Together. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Well, check this out. Look at all that. Look at all that dead skin, baby. It's all coming off. Coming off. There we go. Oh yeah. You better go get you some of these. You better go get you some of these. It comes 2 in a pack. It's another one over here. It comes 2 in a pack. But yeah, this is, oh yeah, this working. How about my hands? Oh, I had no idea I had so much dead skin on me. It's coming off in loads, baby. It's coming off in loads. Look at that. Look how that's going. I know y'all can see that. I hope y'all can see that, because I can see it. Oh yeah. It's rolling off. It's coming off. It's coming off. Yes, yes. Go get y'all some of these. These is on Amazon. It say on the back of here, it says it's supposed to deeply clean and exfoliate without chemicals, remove dead skin cells, unclog pores and crevices, great prep for spray and fox tans, brighten lifeless tattoos, improve skincare product absorption, smooth out bumps and irritating irregularities, preventing ingrown hairs. Oh yeah, go get this. It's on Amazon, and they don't cost that much. They don't cost that much. I'll probably leave a link in the description. But yeah, let me try to rinse. I'm gonna rinse it out. Oh, they rinse out real good. They rinse out real good. But I'm not gonna lie. My arm feels a bit sore. Let me rinse it off. Let me rinse it off. My arm feels sore. Oh, it feels sore. But you know what? Let's try it a different way. Let's try it in conjunction with the soap on the other arm. You see how red my arm is? I don't know if you can see that, but it's soaked. It's super red. So let's try it in conjunction with the soap. I seen people say use some black soap with it, but I don't have black soap, I don't think. No, I don't have no black soap, but I'm going to put some of this soap on. Ooh. Okay, that was way too much soap. Way too much soap. And I'm upset about that because this soap is kind of expensive. Okay, I just wasted everywhere. But let's try it with the soap. Let's see. A little less aggressive scrub, and try to scrub it with the soap. And see how that does. I mean, with the soap, you're probably not going to be able to see the you know, the dead skin or whatever. But I want to see how good it cleanses without. I mean, with soap and water on here. And not be so aggressive with the scrub. I'm trying to just see. Oh yeah, it definitely feel like it's getting in there. It's getting in there, and it don't hurt as much when you use the soap in conjunction with the exfoliating glove. I love washing up with gloves because it's just so convenient. Because I've even dropped the towel a few times in the shower, or with the gloves, you don't got to put it down. Where the soap is just on your hands the whole time. And you got two gloves, you don't got to switch hands, nothing. You just get ultimate experience with these gloves. It's the ultimate experience with these gloves. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. Now let's rinse this out. It definitely don't feel as bad as the other arm, but now, after you know, it's been a couple seconds or minutes or whatever, it's not as it don't hurt as bad on the other side. Like the pain is kind of like gone. I mean, I won't say it's pain, it's just a little discomfort actually. Come on, see, that's all that soap I put on there. Having a hard time getting it out. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, you know how sometimes you get out the shower and then you dry yourself off with a towel and you see the little dead skin coming off? I see none. Baby. I don't see none. I don't see nothing. Nothing, baby. Yes, this was a good investment. And my arms feel soft. They feel soft. Imagine if I ordered the black soap they were telling me that I should get with it. Let me see. Oh yeah. Ooh, my arms feel so soft. They feel so soft. It ain't no lotion on here. They feel so soft. Ooh. Yes, I haven't felt my arms like this before. And I had some dry, rough ass skin. I mean, I have some dry, rough skin. And yeah, this feels good. This feels so smooth. It feels like it took a whole layer of skin up off of me. A whole layer. I'm good. I'm scared to do it on my face because it feels a little too rough. So I ain't even gonna try that one because my skin on my face is real sensitive. Some body butter. Put some body butter. I like this body butter. It's the stuff. It's real smooth. It feels good. And it smells great. Let me put this on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That feels. Oh, somebody gonna touch my arm and be like, "Girl, your skin is so soft. This video done got long. It's 16 minutes. So I'm going to get up out of here, y'all. Hope y'all hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, please. And I'm out of here. Peace.